AI isn't just for tech giants anymore. The landscape has shifted dramatically in the past few years, opening doors for innovators everywhere. Today, small teams, even solo founders working from their kitchen tables, are building AI tools that solve real problems and make millions. The playing field is more level than ever before, and the opportunities are endless for those willing to take the leap. All you need is a smart idea, a laptop, and access to powerful AI models. With just these essentials, anyone can start experimenting, prototyping, and launching new products that can change industries. The barrier to entry has never been lower. You don't need a massive budget or a huge team, just determination and creativity. Developers now use pre-trained models via APIs, making AI creation as easy as building with Legos. These tools handle the heavy lifting, so you can focus on solving real-world problems instead of reinventing the wheel. This accessibility has sparked a wave of creativity. AI tools now write marketing copy, generate images, automate customer service, and help doctors diagnose diseases. The range of applications is expanding every day, touching nearly every industry imaginable. These aren't just party tricks, they're tools businesses pay for, turning clever ideas into million-dollar ventures. Companies are eager to invest in solutions that save time, cut costs, or unlock new possibilities. Small teams are nimble, quick to adapt, and laser-focused on solving specific problems. Their size lets them move fast, test ideas, and pivot when needed, often outpacing larger competitors. They spot inefficiencies like slow content creation or expensive graphics, and build AI solutions to fix them. By targeting pain points, they create products that people actually want and need. Their success comes from applying technology in practical, user-friendly ways. They listen to feedback, iterate quickly, and make sure their tools are easy for anyone to use. The speed of growth is staggering, from idea to million-dollar revenue in just a few months. What once took years now happens in a fraction of the time thanks to the power of AI and the agility of small teams. If you build something that genuinely helps people, they'll find you. Word spreads quickly, and satisfied users become your best advocates, fueling even more growth. This isn't just a Silicon Valley story. Anyone, anywhere in the world, can make a massive impact. The tools are global, and so is the talent. Next, we'll dive into real examples of these AI projects and how they're making money. You'll see how ordinary people are building extraordinary businesses with AI. Let's see why this AI boom is happening right now, and how you can be a part of it. Meet Jasper AI, the writing assistant that's taken the marketing world by storm. In just a few short years, Jasper has become a go-to tool for marketers, entrepreneurs, and content creators everywhere, revolutionizing the way businesses approach content creation. Jasper generates blog posts, social captions, ad copy, and more from a few simple prompts. With just a handful of words, users can unlock a flood of creative ideas and polished drafts, ready to be refined and published in record time. The team behind Jasper started small, targeting a clear pain point. Businesses need content, but writing is slow and expensive. They saw how companies struggled to keep up with the relentless demand for fresh, engaging material across multiple platforms. Jasper doesn't replace writers, it supercharges them, generating drafts in seconds. Writers and marketers can now focus on strategy, creativity, and storytelling, while Jasper handles the heavy lifting of first drafts and repetitive tasks. The value is obvious: save time, boost output, and cut costs. Teams can produce more content, faster, without sacrificing quality, freeing up resources for bigger, more ambitious projects. That's why Jasper reached a billion-dollar valuation faster than almost any software company in history. Its rapid growth is a testament to how deeply it resonated with businesses hungry for efficiency and innovation. Their secret? Solving a problem directly tied to a business's bottom line. By making content creation faster and more affordable, Jasper became indispensable to companies of all sizes. For a fraction of what companies spend on content, Jasper delivers massive productivity gains. It empowers small teams to compete with larger organizations and helps established brands scale their marketing efforts effortlessly. It's not just about writing faster, it's about helping businesses compete in a digital world that demands constant, high-quality content. In today's landscape, staying relevant means publishing more, and Jasper makes that possible. Jasper became an essential tool, not just a novelty. It's now woven into the daily workflow of countless professionals, powering campaigns, websites, and social media feeds around the globe. The lesson: find a universal business need and deliver an elegant, powerful AI solution. When technology meets a real-world challenge, the results can be transformative. That's how a simple idea became a billion-dollar enterprise. Jasper's journey proves that innovation, when focused on solving genuine problems, can lead to extraordinary success. Next, let's see how AI is transforming art and design. The creative possibilities are expanding, and new tools are empowering artists in ways never before imagined. The creative revolution is just getting started. With AI, the future of content and creativity is brighter and more exciting than ever before. Enter Midjourney, the revolutionary AI image generator that's transforming the creative world as we know it. With just a few words, it turns simple text prompts into stunning, imaginative visuals that were once only possible through hours of manual work. For example, type "Unsum," an astronaut riding a horse on Mars, and within seconds, Midjourney delivers a gallery of breathtaking, otherworldly images, each unique and full of detail. What's remarkable is that Midjourney was built by a small, self-funded team. They focus not just on technical accuracy, but on artistry, creativity, and visual quality, setting themselves apart from other AI tools. Their decision to launch on Discord created a vibrant, interactive community. Millions of users now share their creations, exchange feedback, and inspire each other, fueling explosive word-of-mouth growth. Despite never relying on traditional marketing, Midjourney's revenue has soared to hundreds of millions of dollars annually, a testament to the product's viral appeal and the power of community. Today, artists, designers, authors, and hobbyists use Midjourney for everything from concept art and book illustrations to game design and personal projects. Before Midjourney, getting a custom image meant waiting days and spending hundreds of dollars. Now, anyone can create dozens of high-quality images in just minutes, all for a small subscription fee. This technology has truly democratized visual creation, much like how Jasper revolutionized writing by making it accessible to everyone. The secret? Empowering creativity and solving a real, everyday need for millions of people. When your product feels like magic, when it inspires awe and delight, your users naturally become your most passionate marketers, spreading the word far and wide. That's how simple text prompts, powered by AI, have turned into a torrent of revenue and opportunity for creators everywhere. Next, let's break down exactly how these AI tools are making money, and what you can learn from their success. So, how do AI tools like Jasper and Midjourney rake in millions? The answer: smart business models, especially subscriptions. Users pay a monthly or annual fee for access, creating steady, predictable revenue. This covers the ongoing costs of running powerful AI servers and funds continuous improvement. Some companies use pay-as-you-go or credit-based systems, letting users pay only for what they use. Freemium models attract large user bases, then convert power users to paid plans. Larger AI companies may sell enterprise solutions for hefty licensing fees. The common thread: provide ongoing value that customers are happy to pay for. Next, let's see why subscriptions are the engine behind these AI success stories. Subscriptions are the financial engine for AI startups. With thousands of customers paying monthly, revenue is stable and predictable. This lets companies plan, hire, and invest in better products. For users, subscriptions mean always having the latest, most powerful AI tools. No big upfront costs. Companies must keep delivering value to retain subscribers, creating a healthy feedback loop. Low churn rates signal a must-have product that becomes essential to users' workflows. When your tool is as indispensable as electricity, you've built a sustainable business. That's how small teams scale to millions so quickly. They're not just selling software, they're selling ongoing, compounding value. Next, let's explore why this AI boom is happening right now. Timing is everything. Here's why the stars have aligned for AI. Why is the AI gold rush happening now? 3 reasons: more data, more computing power, and smarter algorithms. Decades of digitized information gave AI models the data they need to learn. Powerful GPUs and cloud computing made training and running AI affordable for everyone. Breakthroughs like the Transformer architecture unlock new levels of language and image understanding. These trends converge to make today's AI tools possible. That's why million-dollar AI projects are blossoming everywhere. Businesses crave AI for one reason: efficiency. AI automates repetitive tasks, accelerates creativity, and delivers insights in seconds. Marketing teams use Jasper to generate a month's content in an afternoon. E-commerce stores instantly write thousands of product descriptions. AI chatbots handle customer support 24/7, freeing humans for complex issues. In finance, AI detects fraud faster than any human team. AI unlocks new capabilities like instant design concepts or studio-quality audio for small teams and solo creators. It's not just about speed, it's about enabling new workflows and higher quality. Companies using AI gain a huge competitive edge. As results become clear, demand skyrockets. The market for AI tools that boost efficiency is massive and growing. Next, let's see why solving real problems is the heart of every successful AI project. The best AI projects solve real, tangible problems. Jasper tackled writer's block. Midjourney made art accessible to everyone. Success comes from focusing on user pain points, not just flashy tech. A great AI tool creates a clear before and after, turning slow, expensive tasks into fast, affordable ones. The most impactful tools often target niche, high-stakes problems in specific industries. Founders don't need to be AI experts. They need to deeply understand a problem. If you spot inefficiency in your field, AI could be the answer. Solve a real problem and you'll build genuine value. The why matters more than the how. The AI revolution is here, and opportunity is everywhere. Small teams are building million-dollar businesses by solving real problems with accessible AI tools. The barrier to entry is lower than ever. Success is about creative application, not just technical skill. The biggest opportunities lie in applying AI to everyday challenges. If you have an idea, now's the time to act. Jasper and Midjourney prove that simple concepts executed well can become massive success stories. The AI gold rush is on. The next big idea could be yours. The future is being built today, one AI project at a time.